All right, hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's October 8th when I'm recording this, and wanted to do right away a follow-up on silver because the last newsletter that I put out with you guys, I discussed about silver, and I said, hey, big picture, it looks great, but silver gets manipulated. And I said, it just seems, even though it's right up here, looking pretty good, that I think that there's a strong chance that it is not going to just be able to break through right here. Now, it did a little bit of a trick, and this is what I was talking about, Will, how some stocks, and then silver in particular, they kind of do this thing, like look what they did. They broke it out to new highs, probably got a lot of people who were chasing the breakout, and then what'd they do? Instantly reverse it, okay? And so that was what I was concerned about and talked to you guys about, and yeah, so now it's happening. Now that doesn't mean that all hope is lost and everything. If you guys watched the last newsletter video that I put out, I said, let's see if price can come back down to the daily 50, kind of like back here or even through here, and let's just see if it finds some support, and if that can be the thing that finally gets it to move up and out. And if we look at the higher time frames, now here's the monthly and the weekly, that's kind of what I was saying. It's like, I'm just not sure that this is the spot it's going to be able to keep pushing through from, that it's most likely going to need to pull back, find some support, and then we'll see if it can move up and out on that. So that's kind of what I was looking at, and right now it looks like I'm being proven correct on that. And so let's take a look at the market. In through here, we had a big drop at the end of the day yesterday for the S&P, and I think maybe could put some cold water on a few things and some people out there. But what I've been looking at is this continues to look like a pretty good bull flag. Okay, even here, we're now still holding the daily 21. We've got a big moat right in through there, and we are staying above the previous all-time high. And you can see here we continue to hold this level in through here. So for now, I'm chalking this up to a bull flag. Now, maybe the market doesn't really go anywhere because of the election coming up. Okay, maybe it does. I don't know, but it doesn't look bad. I'm going to continue to be bullish with this thing, and I think that there are bigger forces at play rather than the presidential election, because probably regardless of whoever wins, I think the market's going to want to continue moving up for right now. Okay, so I think that generally speaking, maybe the index is going to take a little breather, but they continue to look good. I'm bullish out there, and I think that is the side of the market to stay on. All right, guys. So thanks again. We'll see you at the next one. Take care.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.